Today we're going to look at config on cloud / auto mode for unlocking the intercom. As you can see here, I've already set up my intercom devices and indoor monitors on the cloud. Within my intercom, I have got two relays enabled. I've got relay A, and then on the bottom, I've got relay B. It doesn't matter if you've got relay 1 enabled or both, config on cloud will set that up for us. So what you want to do is either remote control into the indoor monitor, or you can go to the local IP address of the device. So here, I've got the indoor monitor up on the local IP address, and I'll log in using the default username and password as admin. As I've already logged into mine has already changed, so I'll log in using my changed password. What you'll want to do is go to device and then relay. And on here, if you scroll down, you'll see soft key in talking page. So in talking page is when you're in a call with the intercom. By default, you have 3 keys enabled. You'll want to disable key 2 and key 3. Renaming key 1 to unlock. And then finally, you want to change the unlock type from local relay to config on cloud. This means it will use the cloud settings for unlocking. What you'll also want to do is soft key in monitor page. So enabled, unlock, and then config on cloud. And then finally, you'll want the soft key in call preview as enabled, unlock, and then config on cloud. Brilliant. Now let's click submit and test the relay. As you can see, you've got relay A and relay B.
Welcome, please come in.
Brilliant, all set up. As easy as that. Just remember, we've also got the Akuvox Support Hub online. If you've got any further questions, comment below, or maybe give us a video idea for next time.